abo ba KOMOSIIRA Dr. Fred Matiang'I aseganga yaye korigo buraibu ense hasobo choroba ne buri bosioni ko basokire na kuboria abananchi nabo EGATI yabarai koene kya bunango chabaramo kubwaterana eri wachiye KOMOSIIRA na korokia obomo erinde banyar ko baba konyora amaskani buna abagusi bosio bwebisa kubinda
muntu tabasale petition abantu bari barega bamanye tunga ngaba kare na ndo marembende twabayire ngaba barengera riboronge gusebana bantu ngaba bagende barengera riboronge bacho inyuma gusi tobegente kema bagende wo kimumbu nchega nabakube n'abana baminto mwesipi
Senator Senior Council umugusiga abantu bago defend abananchi bake. Why don't we put Fred Matiang'I in State House through your prayers and to say Gabasai or what did you do? Tell abana baminto bali bakunya mukama ombete yetali bosi yeyo na toroche yesere bosi kulinde ngoja mukama bale mabera atanye kuikanyamira county speaker una kwalira mabera ayu on mwanyera abkigosanze anchagora sawe ali boy kuombe taifa letu la Kenya.
Abantu basombe tukuru migoli bagati bakayuchira tonga kwenu na chiba sijayo igomo ko itera abantu batanango kamaba mtundorano mabera chipale chata ngase na ndi mtete wono pasta na wa ibinto mwara ko tumera na ndi advertisement mora chipale chata ngase chiakera mtuku ati no ile kilomita ya moya rami ise county ya kinyo ya nduwa subdivision nani okanyora jine 17 ibinde byose baka totera banyo maene ndune ngeso byomo gusi ase yote gatuteri nema ya Dr. Fred Matiang'I ngeso byomo gusi na induto teme yoto jibe kesi jigosa banya jigo chibare ji
mano midoro sairona go batanga ababande nakwenda balengo kama bali kende bango kama GUSII engombe lirekerera ilikonyenywe ubageni pasa mungu bwana. Let's be honest, if Ruto was a good president, if Ruto was a good president, who would have an issue with him? But when you kill people, then you are not a good president. When you are sharing state resources amongst your friends, you are not a good president. When the health sector is collapsing, then you are not a good president. When all the young children are not good, are going to school, you are not a good president. Why should I then vote for you?